Hello and welcome to this series of 5 videos that will introduce you to our custom stainless steel fermenter design process. In this second video, we will take a detailed look at the manufacturing process of your fermenter. Our manufacturer, IN has 2 fully integrated production workshops. Innuva can produce more than 500 fermenters of all sizes per year, with little to no outsourcing. This allows us to offer short delivery times and very competitive prices. The manufacturing process starts with the tank, which is formed, then welded, and then polished by the IN teams. Next, the tank receives the ports and various connections, which are welded on site. Take a moment to admire the quality of our welders' work. All the piping shown in the PNID is made in parallel. They are then mounted onto a skid. The skid is a stainless steel frame that supports all the piping that brings fluids to the fermenter tank. Along with the piping, we also assemble all the instruments and actuators, pumps, valves, check valves, safety valves, flow meters, and so on. Next, the software is installed, and your fermenter is ready for the FAT, or factory acceptance test, which will be the subject of the next video.